this is warm-up, October 7th. And we're doing a number mat, and our number today is 637. So the first one asks us to do expanded form. Expanded form of number 637, and we know that expanded form means that you are going to tell the value of each digit. So if I'm digit for expanded form, I will have 600 plus 30 plus 7. That's expanded form. All right, it also asked me to do exponential form. Notice I am skipping lines in between to make it where it's easier to read. You have plenty of room to do that. Remember, exponential form is telling how many of each you have. So I have 6 hundreds. So that's 6 times 100. I have 3 tens. So that's 3 times 10. I have 7 ones. So it's 7 times 1. There's your exponential form. I also am going to round to the nearest 10 and the nearest 100. So if I'm rounding to the nearest 10, again, I'm just going to look at the tens and ones. So that's like rounding 37. So my closest tens are 30 and 40, and halfway is 35. 37 is more than 35. And it rounds to 40. So if I'm rounding 637, I'm going to round it to 640 if I'm rounding it to the nearest 10. My next thing asked me to round it to the nearest 100. So I'm going to look at the hundreds. That's going to be 600 on my number line, and 700. Halfway is 650. 637 is less, so it rounds to 600. Remember, this is what I want you to have in this box. If you don't have it, rewind, do it with me. Yes, I want you to draw number lines every single day. It's okay. We are trying to get it in our head. All right, the next one, we are adding 218 to the number. So 637 plus 218. 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry my 1. That's 855. And I want to ask myself, is my answer reasonable? 637 rounds to 600. 218 rounds to 200. If I add that, I get 800. Yeah, that's reasonable. Looks good. Okay. Last one, we're subtracting 459. So 637 minus 459. I'm spreading those out a little bit so I can do my regrouping. Can I take away 9 from 7? No. Regroup from the 3. 7 becomes a 17. This is 8. Can I take away 5 from 2? No. Regroup from the 6. 6 becomes a 5. Now we have 12. 12, take away 5 is 7. And then that's 1. Let's add it up and see if we got it right. Might as well check if we can. 178 plus 459, 17, 13, 6. 637. Yep, got it right.